A little bit about myself first. My name is Jonah Kompa. I'm a director in an international college, and the skin problem that I had was basically like a discoloration, a pigmentation of the skin. We all get older, and of course there's some pigmentation, and I just wanted to remove some of the pigments. And so I had a series of laser treatments. And I'm actually quite happy with the result. So the whole idea was basically to take out some of the major pigmentation, and also to brighten the entire face altogether. And I can see that it's a great difference, and I'm quite happy with the service, which was really great. I have not tried somebody else, so it's a bit difficult to say. I can just say that the service was very good. I think the preparation for the laser treatment was very good. Putting on the numbing cream, cleaning the face, everybody was very polite. A lot of time was given to explain to me what has been done for each procedure, because sometimes the procedures are not always the same, but they're like progressive. And I think there was a very good explanation by the doctor for all the procedures. So that was very well done.